Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's launch Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that tap to the Google Assistant section and tap to Hey Google and Voice Match. So then you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just tap on the switcher to activate this option and tap here to next. Read the description, click to I agree to continue, and then you'll see here that the Hey Google switcher is activated successfully. So assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model. So here tap to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. So say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to finish, and after that, when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, you'll see that this option is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.